In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your conversations in Discord. First, open up your Discord app on your PC or phone. For me, I'll use the Discord web app. Go to the direct messages section on the left panel, right click on the conversation you want to delete and then click close DM. If you're on mobile, just hold down your finger for a second on the chat you want to delete and then click on close DM. Please note that Discord doesn't allow you to delete the messages from both sides. It only clears them from your own view, so if you want to remove multiple chats, repeat the process by closing each DM one by one. For servers, you can leave the server by right-clicking on its icon and then selecting Leave Server. On mobile, just hold down your finger for a second on the server you want to leave, then click on More Options and select Leave Server. This will remove all the server's conversations from your direct messages panel. But if you want to delete all the conversations in your account at once, the best way is to delete your Discord account and create a new one. To do that, go to User Settings and then scroll down until you see Delete Account. Click that and just enter your password and then click Delete Account. And that's it, you just deleted your Discord account, so now you just need to create a new one. Now I'm just going to quickly make a new account. As you can see, I just got a verification email that my new account has been created. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.